How to log out from Figma account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from Figma account. To do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device where you are logged in. Once you open the application, here if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now, in order to sign out or log out from your Figma account on your PC, you just simply need to locate your account name at the top left corner of your screen. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then a pop-up will appear at the left side. Now here you'll be able to locate the logout button. Simply click on this logout button and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see you have successfully logged out from your Figma account. Also, if you have the multiple accounts logged in, then by simply logging out from one account, you will be logged in to another account. And in case if you would like to log in back to your account in the future, you will need to click on this login with browser first and then select desktop option. By doing so, you'll be able to re-log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Figma account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.